This is Dr. Mark Sembrat of Lifestyle Chiropractic with this weekly sticky. Treating the bark versus adjusting the cause. You walk into your chiropractor's office, hop on the table, and point to where it hurts. But the chiropractor adjusts a totally different part of your spine, not even close to where you feel the pain. Why is that? There's an old saying that goes, when you step on a dog's tail, it barks out the other end. In chiropractic, that means where you hurt, the bark, isn't necessarily where the problem is, the tail. Many times, the symptoms you feel in one area are due to remote causes. For example, someone with sciatica may feel pain down their leg, but the cause of the problem is vertebral subluxation in their spine. Chiropractors know that if you address the cause of the symptom, the body will no longer have a need to produce it. That's why chiropractors focus on fixing underlying problems and not the superficial effects. Chasing after symptoms is like a dog chasing its own tail, spinning around and around till it gets dizzy, confused, and frustrated. It's much smarter to address the underlying cause from the start. As always, please feel free to post, share, tweet, or comment about this video. Work hard, play strong, live at your highest potential. This is Dr. Mark Sembrat. See you next time, and thanks for watching.